Just a minute. Boy, I tell you, sometimes, you just can't get those fingers to stop, I mean, like, I'm trying to improvise on this. Oh, God! No! I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, that's flat. Listen to how flat that is. That was so flat. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life now with that flat note. You know, for the rest of my life, people are gonna be associating me with a flat note. I'm gonna be called Flat Man. Do you realize that? They're gonna say, is Kevin round or is he flat? And there are going to be those that will tell you that I'm flat. You know what I mean? There's going to be those people. I know they're going to exist. Oh, look, it's my eyeball.